Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to guide you how to create your account on Roblox. So you can see I just you can come here like search roblox.com. You can create your account on your application. So you can see the first birthday, so you need to put your birthday. I'm just going to give my birthday or something else maybe, and username 24. um, just this one, and you can give your password here. You need to give the strong password. uh, okay, and gender is optional. This symbol is for girls and this symbol for boys, so you can give it, or it's optional. Then sign up. You can save your password. I'm just going to save it. So you can see it's loading now. It's really easy, and I created perfectly Roblox accounts. It's really easy. So you can see it's my profile. If I go there, then I can see my profile here. So okay, and after that you can start playing the game. You can edit everything. So girlfriend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.